Meaning of G-spot.
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 G-spot. The G-spot is an area of tissue located inside the vagina, believed by some to be an erogenous zone that can result in intense sexual pleasure when stimulated. The existence and location of this area has been a subject of debate among experts in the medical and sexual fields. Some women report experiencing heightened sensations and even orgasm from stimulation of the G-spot, while others do not find it particularly sensitive or pleasurable. Overall, the concept of the G-spot is somewhat controversial and requires further research to fully understand its nature and potential effects.